Hi, hello. For this video, I will show you how I authenticate my documents in DFA as apostille and have it FECO authenticated. So I went back in the Philippines not only to have my vacation, but as well I took this opportunity to renew my license for the following contract, for the next contract signing. And these are the requirements for both the RC ID renewal and the authentication.
Good morning! So bali magpaparenew ako ng license and I am an OFW. We are exempted sa CPD unit. So bali andito tayo sa Ayala Mall. Hanapin natin yung PRC. Okay. So pagpasok mo sa Ayala Mall, 4th floor, tapat ng Pag-ibig. According sa CQ. I think it's here. So I am done with PRC license renewal and authentication. Going straight to DFA. Sa labas pala siya ng Ayala. So bali maghiwalay pala ang office ng PRC and DFA dito sa Asiana. PRC and then labas Ayala Malls, diretso.
And these are the requirements for DFA apostille. We have your authenticated ID, one photocopy of valid ID. In my case, I used my passport, photocopy lang, and your appointment slip and the application form. All can be downloaded once na nag-appointment kayo. Mag-i-email lang sa inyo yan. And after 2 days, pwede nyo na siyang i-pick up or you have the option via LVC. And for the TECO requirements, after that, you can have it TECO authenticated. The requirements are the apostille docs, one photocopy of passport, and the application form. Bale, in-expedite ko yung document ko. So after 3 working days, nakuha ko na siya agad. And these are my TECO authenticated documents.